What's up, Plus Nation family? Hugo D, the jump rope kid.
Alright family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another fire tutorial tonight presented by young Hugo. He's only 7 years old, guys, and if you missed the previous vlogging video, I'd recommend you go and check that out before this video as well. In fact, we had the best day, me and this kid and his family. They came down from the north of England. He's been a wicked follower of Rush Athletics for the last 6 months, been literally binge watching my videos, literally every single video from the last like 10 years. And he's learned so much in that time. You can see from these clips right here. And yeah, we just had like the most epic vibes, and we had to obviously get him down on the YouTube tutorial playlist. So he's gonna be dropping his top 5 moves today. So just sit back, relax, enjoy this one, and please drop Hugo some more love in the comments. I know he'll be watching this with a big smile on his face. So yeah, if you are watching this, Hugo, shout out to you, my little bro. I'm missing you already, man. You gotta come down soon again, and let's make some fire happen again together. Keep flying high, my friend. Yeah, peace.
All right, people, we are back live. We've got a new jump rope coach in the house. Put it here, mate. Hugo in the building, guys. We've got his lovely family here. Hugo, folks, has been only skipping for 6 months, which is nuts. And you're only how old?
7.
7 years old, right? And the stuff that he's learned, folks, in this short amount of time, it's taken people years. Even myself, when I first started, it took me months and months just to even do one move. So you're gonna show us your favorite moves today.
Yep.
And I just want you to try and inspire as many young kids like you to try and pick this up. What's been your favorite thing about skipping?
Well, it keeps me fit. It's just something to do whenever, and it's just fun for me.
It's fun, yeah?
Yep.
There you go. That's all you need to do, man. Just listen to Hugo, pick up a rope, and remember, hit the links down below. Use all our codes, rushathletics.co.uk. We got you covered. So, first move, what is your, let's try and go in order of your favorite, okay? So try and think, what's your favorite skipping move that you'd like to show everyone?
Double under cross.
Double under crossover. So he's going with the hardest move, guys. One of the hardest moves. How old do you say you go again?
7.
7, you sure?
Yeah.
Double under crossover, right? This is his favorite move. He's got this down. I've seen it already. All right, let's see. How long, honestly, you've been skipping for how long?
6 months.
You sure? You sure you're not just dreaming and training whilst you sleep?
I'm sure.
How many videos do you think you've watched of mine?
Almost all of them, probably.
All of them?
Mostly.
Not the ones where I swear in, right? I say bad words. You haven't heard those ones.
I don't care
Don't worry
about
about
them.
it.
I don't care.
This is why I'm gonna make a change, folks. I'm gonna make a change. I'm gonna stop saying bad words, just in case people like you are watching. Because we need you to look after us in the future. What's move number 2? This is good.
Side swing cross.
Side swing cross. All right, side swing crossover, guys. Let's see it. Wicked. You know what I love about this? The technique is so smooth. Like, how do you get so smooth?
Practice.
Practice.
Yeah.
How many hours would you say you practice a week?
I mean, sometimes I practice like 3 hours. Maybe.
3 hours? 3 hours a week?
Yeah.
That sound all right?
Probably.
What's the next one you're going to show the folks? I think we're on move number...
Lunges.
Lunges?
Yep.
You're too cool. All right, show me your lunges. I'm going to try to keep up with you. All right. Even I can't keep up with you. You're too good. What's the last one? What would you like to show the last one? Crossovers, maybe?
Yeah.
You're good at crossovers, isn't it? You were showing me behind the camera before. So crosses, little boxer step crossover. Can you do maybe like a different variation, maybe? Running crossover? Nice. What was the hardest move that you had to learn?
Double under cross.
Double under crossover, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you had to give any advice to anyone who's watching behind this camera about how they could get better at skipping, what would you tell them?
I'd tell them, don't worry if you don't make it, because you will one day, and then it's just practice. Take time, years probably.
That is really good advice. It's not easy, is it?
No.
And you need to have really tough mental game, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Right.
Yeah.
want to say anything else before we leave?
Remember, guys, stay safe, skip the treadmill. Peace.
Guys, you can stay in the shot if you want, mate. It was just a quick video just to, again, showcase this little kid's skills. Absolutely insane. Hello to the family. I'm gonna point. Hello. We're gonna see you again for the next video. And as always, thank you for the love and support. Drop a like, drop a subscribe. And if any kids out there watching, any fathers, any mothers, anyone with kids watching, try and get your little ones into this thing because it will honestly help them.
It helps with like everything.
Yeah.
Anything you can do.
This thing is powerful. Get it into your hands. And I'll see you in the next video. So I'll do my outros also. Guys, without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Just take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace. Oh, a legend.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.